has spent years developing, refining, and field testing the ultimate electrostatic application system for applying disinfectants, odor counteractants, and long-term antimicrobial surface protection. Our advanced delivery systems provide you the ability to treat and protect large areas in any facility, including sensitive equipment and hidden surfaces from today's health-threatening pathogens, odor, and even mold. As you'll see, the electrostatic sprayer lays down an invisible layer of Protect on every single touch point, even in high traffic areas, including curtains, carpets, fabrics, and furnishings, to make sure you and your staff stay on the offense and mitigate the spread of infectious diseases. Protect solution provides an antimicrobial barrier of protection that's highly effective against today's germ threats and has a safety profile that's unequaled. It also has proven exceptional at preventing the growth of mold, and here's why. Once the product has been electrostatically applied to all surfaces, the shield then forms its protection through three functional elements. First, the base layer is a covalent bond that permanently affixes to the surface, enhancing it for the life of the surface it's applied to. Second, by cross-linking